Hey y'all, I'm Melissa, and today we're going to be playing with some Revlon products. Some of them are new, some of them are new-ish. I got enough to do a full face, so we're just going to get right into it and see what we can do with these Revlon products. I'm going to take off my glasses, and today I'm going to start with primer. And I have this Skin Lights Face Glow Illuminator in 300 Sunrise Luster that I'm going to put all over my face. Make sure it focuses. Alright, I'm going to blend that out. Ooh, that's extra glowy. Alright, and I got the Revlon Candid, Photoready Candid Natural Finish Foundation in 120 Buff. And I'm going to put that all over my face. Alright. There it goes. Hopefully this matches me. It's always kind of iffy when you buy stuff online, but alright, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. Beauty Blender-ish, I can't remember what this is called, blending sponge I think, and to blend that out. Alright, and now we're going to go in with the Revlon Photoready Candid Concealer in 005. I can open it up. There we go. Alright, I'm going to blend that out with the same blending sponge. I don't know about the concealer. I don't know if I just didn't get enough sleep last night, which is true, but I got quite a bit of dark circles still showing underneath there. And now I'm taking, can't see that. Now I'm taking the Revlon Colorstay Pressed Powder and Translucent, and I'm just going to set my under eyes and my face. take my big fluffy brush and going all over my face with that. Alright, now I'm taking the Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Bronzer in 115 Sun-Kissed Beam. I'm just going to put that on the perimeters of my face. Now I'm going under my chin. And down my neck. And get behind the ears. Alright, and now I'm going to go into the Revlon Powder Blush in Apricute is what it's called. And that's what it looks like. Just take my blush brush. Oh, that's apricute. But very pigmented. I'm going over the nose, so we'll be sunburnt and sun-kissed. Alright, now we got the Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter and 201 Daybreak Glimmer. And I'm going to put that on my cheekbones. That's pretty. And I'm putting a little bit on my forehead. A little down the nose. And Cupid's bow. Alright, now I'm taking my powder brush. I'm just going to go over all that to make sure everything's well blended. Alright, now what I'm going to do is, I don't have an eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to take my bronzer and I'm going to put that in my crease. And this is just going to create a little bit of a dimension. And I'm going to try to take my highlighter and put it all over my lid, see what that looks like. Alright, now I'm going to take the Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in 44 Bare Affair. This is one of my favorites. I love the super lustrous lipsticks. Alright, and I don't have a brow pencil or a mascara, so I'm going to jump off real quick and I'm going to do my eyebrows and my mascara, and then we'll be back to put on some setting spray. Alright, now we're going to go into the Revlon Photoready Prep Set Refresh Mist and just spray my face. There we go. It's a pretty nice mister right there. Got my handy fan. I'm going to dry my face, and then as it dries, I'm going to pounce my beauty blender just to meld everything together. Make sure everything's seamless. Alright, so this is a full face of Revlon. I'm going to go through the products that we used today, tell you if I like them or not. The first one, the primer, the Skin Lights Face Glow Illuminator. I think it looked beautiful. I really love it. I think that the finish turned out great. The Revlon Photoready Candid Foundation. I think the finish turned out really good, especially over top that primer. I think that it looks really pretty. I love the way my skin looks today, all the complexion. And the foundation kind of had a little bit of a smell to it, just to be forewarned. It dissipated now, but it hung around for a little bit, so just be forewarned that it did have a little bit of a smell. Not a horrible smell, but I mean, it wasn't just nauseating smell. It wasn't bad. It's just, there was a smell, there was a scent when I first applied it. So the concealer, at first I wasn't sure about it because I was having trouble covering my under eye circles, but I think everything kind of came together. It looks really good. I'm going to try it some more when I've had a little bit more sleep and maybe see how good it is, and I'll try to update you guys on how it did at a future video. The powder, I think it did good, you know, mattifying my face. I think that I still had the glowiness come through, but it was enough that I could put the bronzer on without it pulling anything up under the foundation underneath. I think that's a good product. The Skin Lights bronzer, I think it looks beautiful. So beautiful. Now, it looks like it would be super glowy in the pan, but once you put it on, it just gives a nice sheen to your skin. It just, a nice little glow. It helps that illuminator underneath just keep that glow. The highlighter, same thing. Just beautiful glow. I even like how it looks on my eyelids. Both the bronzer and the highlighter. The blush is super cute. I love the blush. Everything that I tried today just turned out so great. I just love the way that my skin looks today. I love the way the finish is. I really am excited about these products. I haven't really been a huge Revlon other than their super lustrous lipsticks. I've loved those. But I've never been a huge Revlon person, but I definitely am a Revlon person now with these products. So I definitely recommend, if you're thinking about picking them up, that you pick them up, especially the bronzer, highlight, and blush. And the primer. I think if you're a glowy type person. Now, some people might not be. If you're oily, you might not want a glowy primer. So But I still think that this would work for somebody that's oily, because it didn't make my skin oily. It just put down a little bit of a shine, a sheen to my skin. So I think that this would even work on an oily person. And like I said, I like the Super Lustrous lipstick, and I like the setting spray too. It had a really good mixture. So I think that's all that I have to say about everything. Like I said, everything was wonderful, because it made my look turn out great today. Like, my skin looks wonderful right now. So we'll see how it wears, and then I'll update you guys at a later video. Like I said in one of my last videos, that I plan on trying to do a monthly favorite, probably be the end of July, because a lot of the stuff that I'm reviewing now, I've only started reviewing. So I want to give it some time to be able to use it and get a real good idea about it. So I'll update you guys at a later date. So I greatly appreciate y'all hanging out with me today. If you like the video, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, I'd love for you to become a part of my family. So hit that subscribe button. Also press the bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video, because I try to post a video at least twice a week. Alright, I guess I'll talk to y'all later. I hope y'all have a great rest of the day, and bye y'all.